concentration of solution, and suspension.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Dear students, in laboratories, you must have noticed bottles of dilute or concentrated acids or dilute or concentrated bases. What do these words dilute and concentrated means? They specify the concentration of solution. A solution is said to be dilute if number of solute particles present in solution is less while solvent is present in larger quantity. A solution is said to be concentrated if large number of solute particles are present in solution.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Also, each solution has a specific dissolving capacity of solute. Hence, when solution dissolves solute to its dissolving capacity, then it is known as saturated solution. Amount of solute present in saturated solution is called as its solubility. After solution is saturated, dissolution stops and solutes accumulates at bottom. If amount of solute present in solution is in less quantity than the dissolving capacity of solution, then it is known as unsaturated solution. So, concentration is defined as amount of solute present in given amount of solution or amount of solute dissolved in given mass or volume of solvent. Concentration can be expressed in following two methods. Mass by mass percentage of solution, which is equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100, or mass by volume percentage of solution, which is equals to mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. Let us now have a look on activity.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture where solute particles do not dissolve in solution and remain suspended in bulk medium. Let's discuss some properties of suspension. Suspension is heterogeneous mixture where particles of suspension can be seen with naked eye. Particles of suspension scatters beam of light, making path of light visible. Particles of solute When particles settle down, suspension breaks, which also stops the scattering of light. Here we complete the learning of suspension. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.